With a little over £40,000, you can invest in One Victoria, in the heart of Manchester city centre. The development is in a phenomenal location, with shopping at Selfridges, Harvey Nichols and Manchester Arndale, bars, restaurants and nightlife in the trendy Northern Quarter, a busy calendar of music, arts and comedy visiting the AO Arena, and easy access to Spinningfields, the city's premier business district. One Victoria is made up of 2 blocks, exclusively available from Elite Realty Invest, with 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments for sale, starting prices from around £270,000 and just a 15% deposit needed to invest. This is an area with relentless rental demand, marking this an extremely low-risk investment where yields and equity value will grow and grow. For the latest prices and availability, register now with Elite Realty Invest.